Hello everyone, thanks so much for watching. I just want to share some of my thoughts when I was shooting this lens Viltrox 35mm F1.8 for Sony camera. And because this week I had the rental for the A7IV, so I was just curious how the autofocus doing. So it feels pretty good. You can see that it's sticky to the eyes. It feels very normal to the native lens also. So you can see that I think out of the whole shoot, only one time on the side profile, sometimes it was trying to look for the eyes, but most of the cases it find the eyes very sticky on the eye. Yeah, you can see that this example, because I'm shooting backlight situation, I'm trying to like see how's the autofocus on the eyes. So it's pretty good using the latest A7IV focusing system, and Viltrox is doing very well with the new A7IV. So for those of you curious how this lens will perform, or if you want to buy a more affordable lens, you can try this one. So the other thing I want to say is the backlight is pretty nice. I like the backlight. Some of the soft flare around the head area is nice too. I like those light moody. The mood created a nice haze flare also. It depends on what you like. I like to have an extra layer of the haze sometimes at certain angle, and later on you can add more. You can add more contrast if you like, but for now I like most of the backlight effect for the flare. So flare is really preference. You can see that here in the backlight, you can see that the flare, sun flare haze. I had the lens hood on also. So let me know what you think, and this is just a short video on this Viltrox Sony 8 with the Sony A7IV and the Viltrox 35mm F1.8. So thanks so much for watching. I will have more video coming up. Bye.